Welcome back to the channel. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit subscribe for more Twilio how-to videos. Today, I'll show you how to create a support ticket in Twilio. Whether it's a technical issue, billing question, or anything related to your Twilio services. Start by logging into your Twilio console. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the question mark icon. This opens the Help menu, and from here select Help Center. The Help Center is loaded with troubleshooting guides and FAQs. So take a moment to check if an article solves your issue. That can save time. But if you still need assistance, scroll or search within the Help Center until you find the option to submit a support ticket. Click to open the ticket form. Now, this part is important. Be clear and detailed. Describe exactly what's happening. Include any error messages, steps you've already tried, and even attach screenshots if needed. The more information you provide, the faster the Twilio support team can help you. Once you submit the ticket, you'll receive a confirmation, and Twilio will get back to you with updates. You can also return to the Help Center anytime to check your ticket status. And that's it. You now know how to request support directly from Twilio whenever you need it. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Twilio tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.